Hello, welcome back to my channel, Tea Star Bakings. Today's video I will be showing you how to make cupcakes. This cupcake is so soft and yummy. Give it a try and let's see how it goes. First, you add your oil, your butter, your sugar, and give it a whisk. Mix it until it's pale and a bit fluffy. You don't actually need to overmix this. Once it's like this, then it's okay. You start to add your egg one by one. You add one and then you mix it, and then add another one and then you mix it. Once you've completely mixed your eggs in, you add your vanilla, mix it also, and then add your milk. You'll be adding half of the measured milk here. Then next you add your flour. You'll also be adding half of the measured flour here. Mix it in and add the remaining of your milk and flour. Then you would mix it again. Make sure you completely mix this in, but do not overmix, guys. That is a major rule in baking, to not overmix. Fold the edges in and mix it well with your spatula. I will be using this mixture to get another flavor, which is my strawberry flavor. You can also use this to get a chocolate flavor, but it will not be as chocolatey as a normal chocolate recipe cake, but it will also do a good job. So in this bowl, I'll be mixing in my strawberry cake. I add in my strawberry essence and then my red food coloring. You just need a little bit in there as you give it a mix. And remember, the full recipe will be written down below in the description box. Do check it out, please. The next thing you will do is to line your pan with a cupcake paper and add your batter bit by bit, if that is right. Okay, just add it the way I'm doing it right now. Do not fill the cupcake cups all the way. You are to leave a 1/4 of the cupcake unfilled. After that, you will need to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. As I did here, it's already baked. And today's baking tip is that do not leave your cake in the oven for too long, as it will give you a hard cake. This is the result of the baked cupcakes, and it looks super moist and delicious. I tasted it, so I'm telling you. So if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and keep a comment down below and tell me how this recipe worked for you. And that is it for today's video. See you next time. Bye.